Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Marui MK46. This has got like I said, full upgrade package on there. It's so this is obviously just a stress test, just to make sure that obviously it's all working. There's going to be no initial issues, you know, sort of just from having done the tech work or the surgery on it, you know. So we want to make sure everything's all good, and we've got a upgraded PDI hop rubber in there. We've got the EagleSix slightly shorter nub combined with a Solink medium tensioner. That produces kind of like just the right amount to be like sitting somewhere in the middle of the hop unit in terms of like, you know, not too much over, not too much under. So we've tested that at range on 0.32s, and that's lifting nicely and straight, which is good. So we've also changed the bushings from the plastic bushings over to metal bearings. So the EagleSix bearings, we've got the EagleSix hardened gears, the steel gears. We've got the steel anti-reversal latch from EagleSix. We've got the EagleSix spring. A lot of products from EagleSix here. I suppose we're the only people to develop anything for this gun. EagleSix spacers, power spacers, combined with an EagleSix, like I say, spring to get to 266 while measured on a 3.2, like I say, which is about, you know, 1.1 joules, you know, 1.11. So either way, it's below 1.14 joules of energy, which is obviously okay for UK site limits. And then I double checked the mag. It's already had the gear changed, and yeah, it's got mini Tamiya connector on there. There's no documents on here about whether to change that, so I'm leaving it at mini Tamiya. There's no real benefits from moving to Deans unless just all your batteries are Deans or something like that. So yeah, just let me know if you do want that change, but otherwise I'm just leaving it as mini Tamiya. And yeah, just want to demonstrate it all working. Oh, motor changed as well, which is the Solink 31K Lite. So put that on there. Obviously it's important because obviously the brushless motors obviously have really great low amp usage, increased battery life. They generate a lot less heat, a lot less internal problems from obviously wear and tear because they're brushless, you know, so there's no brushed you know, brushes pressing on a culminator or anything like that. So so yeah, it's yeah, good product. And the 31K, I think you'll find is, like I say, quite a nice rate of fire. So I'm quite happy with it's not too much, not too little. It's just kind of about right, you know. There we go. So that's a mag rinsed, and yeah, I'll say we'll go in ready for collection. Yeah, we hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.